I'm going to show you how I'm currently generating over $70,000 a month from YouTube. Now, first off, just for proof, here is our P&L from December 2024. As you can see, we generated $70,404.48 in revenue. That's cash collected. And then profit on that was $55,363.10. And it's not just me. We've built the system for over 100 seven-figure clients. And you see, YouTube is the most important lead source for coaches and consultants in 2025. And over the next 10 to 15 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how we are closing 10 to 20 high ticket clients per month from just YouTube so that you can copy me and implement this in your own business. Let's dive in. So as you can see, this is our main channel, Amplify Views. We just hit 47,000 subscribers, got 200,000 views, got 10,000 hours of watch time, 4,100 subscribers, and $968 in revenue. Now, obviously, $968 is not a lot, right? We want to be making $30,000, $50,000, $70,000, and $100,000 plus per month. So how did we actually make a ton of money on YouTube? Well, we don't just have this channel. We have 3 specific YouTube channels that each serve a very specific purpose that make us a ton of money and kind of create a really big content funnel. So what we have on this channel, this is our main channel. Our goal on this channel is to go as viral as humanly possible, right? Within our niche. We don't want to be getting millions and millions of views. We want to go as viral as we can within our niche, right? So we have 36,000 views, 475,000 views, 207,000 views, 67,000 views, 38, 644,000 views, 100,000 views. Our goal is to get as many views as humanly possible. Now, why is that? Because views do not equal money. However, we do turn these big amount of views into dollars as well. We're not just trying to get views, right? How do we do that? We basically run a funnel on this YouTube channel. So first channel is this one, right? If we go to any video on the channel, let's say let's go to this one, right? In this video, what I will do is, for one, I will have our offer link in the description, right? So we sell a high ticket product. We sell a coaching program to help people grow on YouTube and make money from their YouTube channel. So if you look at our description, our first line is always, want to blow up your business on YouTube and generate a ton of leads and income? Click here. A lot of people will click on that link, and majority of them will not be business owners and entrepreneurs. However, we call that out in the beginning. So if they are not, then they leave the page, and we basically tell them that we will get them a ton of leads and income. Then on this page, we have a VSL. We basically show them how we can make them money. We show them how we can get them a bunch of deals, 3 to 5 sales calls per day. Then we just have a simple schedule a call. On here, we just have some copy. You can go ahead and read through it if you'd like. And then we have all of our testimonials, right? So we have Joel Kaplan, 8-figure entrepreneur, Paul Hilsey, 8-figure entrepreneur, Chandler Sane, 7-figure entrepreneur, and just all of these really good people, right? Then we have what's included. Basically tells them exactly what they are going to get from the program. And then we have a second book a call. Now that is very, very simple. You don't need a crazy funnel for organic because people are already so bought in when they come from organic because they've spent hours and hours with you, right? So that is step 1. On every single video, we send them to that landing page. What we also do is, if we go to the end of this video, you'll see something very interesting. At the end of this video, what we do is we tell them to go to another video. We essentially tell them to go to this video right here. So if you click on this video, what is it? This is a VSL for a free course. Now, what this free course is essentially a free 6-hour course on school. And the reason why we don't charge for this course is because we can actually make way more money by giving the information on the front end for free and then charging for coaching on the back end. That's something that we learned with one of our clients, Joel Kaplan, where he basically made a free social media marketing agency course. It got hundreds and hundreds of thousands of views because no one had ever done it before. And he made over $6 million from that course. What this looks like is essentially just an entire course, fully produced, amazing course. Like if you want to learn how to do YouTube, feel free to go through this course. There's no selling in here. And essentially what this is just a full course, right? We go through everything from mindset to packaging. We go through scripting, filming, editing, analytics, monetization, pretty much everything you can need to grow a YouTube channel. For one, if you are trying to grow a YouTube channel, check out the course, but most of you guys are here to make money. So what we do from here, there's a specific reason why we funnel them to the school group, right? Because on YouTube, what you don't have is you don't have direct text access to your leads, right? Let's say that you're making content for your ideal avatar, but you don't have any text access. What are they going to do? Like comment, and then you're going to comment like a link. It just doesn't work, right? You need to have a place where you can have conversations. So in school, we have school DMs. And also what we do is we can collect their email, their name, their phone number on the front end of this. We have all of these people coming in and we can essentially have a conversation with them. A lot of these people will test to see if they're a good fit. If they are a business owner, we'll book them into a sales call. And same thing here, we point back to the Amplify Accelerator, right? Goes right back to that landing page. So everything is pointing back either to that landing page or book a call. Now, that is the first channel. And this is just the first part of the process. Free course, very powerful way to do it. You don't have to give away a free course. What I'm about to show you will work whether or not you have a free course, but this is just how we get some extra leads. I would say from the main channel, from the Amplify Views channel, which is this one, we probably make around $30,000 a month, maybe 40, probably $40,000 a month from this channel, plus the school group. That's probably the main way we make money, but we're actually transitioning to something much more powerful that we literally just started like 2 months ago. And this month it already made us over $30,000. So I'm about to show you what that is because that's actually what will be most helpful for most of you guys. So that's it for the main channel. Then what we have is this channel. Now this channel is Amplify Media, and this is a much more niche channel. So you can see instead of 200,000 views, this channel got 3,000 views in the last 28 days, 136 hours of watch time, 131 subscribers. However, we have made over $30,000 from this channel already, which is absolutely ridiculous. Off of 3,000 views, we have booked in and closed over $30,000 of revenue. What is this channel? Let's check it out. This second channel is a targeted channel that's aimed directly towards our ideal prospects. So we help coaches make 100K plus per month on YouTube. So we help coaches scale and build YouTube as an acquisition system. And this is the exact content that they would want to watch. Do this and 10x your coaching company in 2025. How we made 51,000 in 30 days on a brand new offer. How to get infinite leads as a coaching consultant. And as you can see, we're getting only a couple hundred views per video, a couple hundred to like 1,000 on one of our videos, right? And over time, this will obviously go up a lot because we just started this 2 months ago. However, starting at 2 months ago has already made us over 30 grand, which is absolutely ridiculous. And that's because we're creating a extremely niche channel targeting our direct prospect. And this is the exact kind of channel that we help build for coaches and consultants because it's low effort, high return, and you can do it even if you're extremely busy. And if you want an organic funnel like this that generates 3 to 5 high quality warmed up sales calls per day, then just click the link in the description and you can hop on with my team. But there is one more step in this funnel process that makes it even more powerful. So if you click on one of these videos, first up, everything drives back to the Amplify Accelerator, right? So we're still doing that. However, what we also have now is the Amplify Accelerator YouTube channel. So this is our third channel. And this is where we essentially just put all of our testimonials. Now, the best channels in the world do this. Here, it's literally just all of our testimonials, right? Eric, who we took to 100K a month, Joel, who we made over $6 million, Chandler, who we made over 100K a month from his channel, and all of these people who we have helped absolutely crush it on YouTube. With that said, we point everything back to this link. Again, same thing in all of these videos. And this just builds social proof. So what we do with this channel is actually attach it after someone books a call with our team or has gotten to the thank you page on our funnel. We will send them to this page where they will be prompted to watch some of the testimonials, learn a little bit more about our results and what we do, and just get nurtured, spend more time with us, build up more trust because they can see that what we do actually works. So with that said, how does this all connect? Well, this channel is just to get as many eyeballs on our brand as possible. It's also a very good case study for us because we can show that we can build YouTube channels. There's no other strategist that has actually built a YouTube channel themselves that is currently doing it right now. We're the only people who have done that, who have built a successful channel. And that's been a huge selling point for us because we're actually in the game doing it. Then this channel is purely just giving value for coaches and focusing on our ideal avatar. And then this channel is literally just to build trust. That's the only reason why we have it. We're not trying to get views, not trying to go viral, just building trust. And all of this together generated us over $70,000 last month. But now that you know how our YouTube funnel is structured, you need to learn how to actually implement this into your own business. And there's a slightly different strategy that we found even more effective for our clients that is currently making them over $1 million a month from YouTube combined. So click this video somewhere up here where I show you what it is, how it works, and how you can use it to make a ton of money from YouTube in 2025. Thanks and have a good one.